injustices that the government and all the institutions of this country are committing against Ugandans. The prices are high, the economy is very bad, yet government continues to run and prevail over very, very large cabinets. The cost of administration is too high. We are crying that the economy is bad. We are saying that if it is bad and government feels it, why don't they reduce the cost of public administration? Why do they have a very, very big cabinet that is unnecessary? Why are we still budgeting for State House to use 1.8 billion daily when we don't have money as a country? It is not a Ukraine issue. It is an issue of governance. We are calling all those multinational corporations that are funding the junta in that oil pipeline. They are funding the misgovernance of our country. Presumption of innocence is in our constitution.
We have to talk. Told us that if we cannot afford service, then use populism. Museveni told us if we cannot afford bread, we should eat cassava. We are here to tell Mr. Museveni that we cannot afford cassava. And as women, we are here at the front line. We are saying enough is enough. You cannot take Mr. in court and tell him to pay fees of 30 million. When he's saying there is inflation, when he's saying prices must fall, we are here to rally our fellow women. We are here to rally the women in the market. We are here to rally Ugandans. We are here to rally students who currently cannot afford fees. Also come, even when we are arrested today, tomorrow we are going to come back and demand for free Uganda. Tomorrow we are going to come back here and say prices must fall. Tomorrow we are going to come back here and say prices must set free.
Abatuuliriza ensonga yeno olunaku lwa leero tuvuddeyo twasowoddeyo nga tulwanyisa embeera embi eri mu ggwanga lyaffe. Omuntu nga Dr. Besigye omulwanizi w'eddembe n'avaayo ajja alwanyisa embeera embi eri mu ggwanga. Ebigulibwanga ebbeeyi eri waggulu nnyo ne bamukwata ne bamusiba basaba ne bannyabo. Kyakulwanya kyaffe musukiremu mwegatteko naffe ntwegatteko tubayita mwenna bekikwatako mu ggwanga kuba mwenna mulya mwenna mutambula mwenna mwebaka basaba ne bannyabo musukiremu. Embeera esuse embeera tetukyagisobola eggwanga lyaffe ligenda tuleme naffe tetulina gye tugenda kulaga. Musukiremu basaba ne bannyabo fe tutandise tubayita mutwegatteko mwanguweeko basaba ne bannyabo abaana abasomesa abasawo namwe ba MP abatudde ng'ensonga eno mugirumirwamu naffe namwe musituke tutambule ensonga eno emiwendo gy'ebintu girina okusalibwako. Ensi eno tulina gyeyagaliramu nga buli omu asobola okwetusaako kyayagala basaba ne bannyabo.
Ogumulanga ogutuleese ku kkubo kuno tugenda kutambuza ebigere tugenda Besigye campaign gye yatandiseewo wake up campaign tuli b'amaanyi n'okusinga amaanyi ge yataddemu nga ali mu kkomera tetugenda kutuula tugenda genda mu maaso ne campaign naye tugenda kola tutya ku nsonga eno ffe ng'abakyala twewaddeyo abaami mutuwe We shall overcome today. Deep in my heart I do believe we shall overcome someday. There will be someday. Deep in my heart I do believe we shall overcome.